Hey Pinky, it's Reese.
And Cece.
And we just want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Belated birthday, because we're late.
Yeah, late.
We're sorry about that.
We're really sorry about that. Sorry.
But we are wearing pink. Hannah Montana, Cece's wearing pink. And we also want to say that you're cool.
You're very cool. You're awesome.
And
I love you.
She loves you. And just keep your head up.
In the game.
And don't let those haters get to you.
Just say, bye, hi haters. Bye, haters. Don't hate on Pinky like that.
Don't hate on Pinky. You know, she's wearing our favorite color. You can't hate on her. Don't hate on her.
No, we'll get down to business.
We'll come out there and find. No. No, but we really just want to say
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope
you remember me.
From MySpace.
I'm Reese from MySpace. I always say, do you remember me? And you always say, yeah, I remember you, but I don't think you do. But it's cool.
It's cool.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye.